Want fewer ads and fewer trackers on your network? If you have eero Plus, you can turn on ad blocking in just a few taps in the eero app. Open the eero app and make sure you're on the Home tab. From there, look for Security and Privacy. Tap Ad Blocking. From Ad Blocking, you will see the Network Control option. Click Network Controls to access the settings you need. Now toggle Ad Blocking on. This helps block many ads and online trackers before they reach your devices. You can apply the setting across your whole network, or choose specific profiles if you want more control. That's it. With ad blocking turned on, your eero network can deliver a cleaner browsing experience. If you need help, Truvista support is here for you. Visit our website for more tutorials at truvista.net or call us at 800-768-1212.